These tech tools that we buy make it seem like it's so easy, don't they? They like so easy. Here, you could do it yourself. Stop it. Hi there, I'm Valeri Hall-Little, founder of Built to Soar, where I help you get out of the grind so your business can take flight. Today I want to talk to you about stopping doing things in your business. Not starting to do things in your business, but stopping. The things I want you to stop doing are things like taking courses on how to do something that is outside your unique brilliance and that is not going to help your bottom line. In other words, it's not going to bring revenue into your business. So I want to tell you a little story. This week I was working with my client, two separate clients, and I had to talk them out of taking courses. Now I'm not sure I did it because we are working on shedding that do-it-yourself or DIY mindset in their business, but we're starting. So one client has just purchased a tool, an accounting tool in her business. And what she was going to do is to move all of her accounting data over and set things up and do all of this setup of the tool. I said to her, listen, if you spend half a day, 3 hours, 4 hours setting it up, and maybe you do it right and maybe you don't do it right, but that's 4 hours, that's half a day that you have stepped out of your business of generating revenue and business growth. Remember, I always say this, if you follow me and you watch me, I'm always about two things in your business: revenue generating and business growth. Those are the two things to be focused on if you want to scale your business and take it to the next level. So I encouraged her to think about another way of doing this. What about investing your money in a professional who can do it quicker, faster, and more efficiently? They know what they're doing. They love what they do. So why don't we do that little mind shift, that little tweak of our habit of trying to do everything ourselves in our business, and go outside and find a bookkeeper that's going to help you do that. And in actual fact, having that bookkeeper on your team now, who now knows the ins and outs of your financials because they've helped you migrate over to this new system. So that was one client. Another client of mine was going to take a day-long, or probably is still, but is going to sign up to take a day-long course on marketing. So there's one little piece of marketing that she was interested in. So she's investing a day of her time where she's stepping out of her business and diverting her attention and her focus away from revenue generating and business growth. What I wanted to open up the door for possibility is to, in fact, think about how much that costs to step out of your business. Thousands of dollars, right? Thousands of dollars for you to remove yourself from your business to focus on something that you may or may not implement. And I encouraged her to think about, if she's interested in the topic, maybe read an article, watch some blogs. You could do that in an hour, right? You don't need a whole day. So let's invest that money that you were going to learn about this stuff, and you may not implement it, and instead invest in a company or a consultant who knows how to do this and is a professional, and this is their unique brilliance, and they can do it really well. So that's what I want you to think about in your own business. Are you DIYing too many things? Are you feeling stretched every day? Are you not getting to your priorities that are going to drive your business forward and allow it to get to that next level that you want it to? Or are you still stuck back in that mindset when you first started your business of bootstrapping and DIYing everything in your business? Please think about that. Look at all the things on your to-do list. Are there things that you can get somebody else in and delegate that to who's a professional, so you don't waste your time, your money, and your energy on trying to learn how to do everything in your business yourself. Let's face it, you got into business because you are really good at what you do. And you want to serve more people and help more people to do that, at the same time elevating your business and lifting it up to that next level to allow you to do that. The fuel to do that is money in your business. So let's bring more of that into your business and have your attention on that piece, and stop thinking about how you can do everything yourself in your business. That is your next step to designing your business so it's built to soar. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Just get into your silk pajamas, sit in your favorite fireside chair,
and get ready for a real treat.
Enjoy facial toning sessions that send impulses from a 9-volt battery directly into your 12 facial zones.